Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the Bhagat Singh. Number 1. Bhagat Singh was a freedom fighter in India. Number 2. He was born on the 28th of September 1907 in Punjab. Number 3. He was known for being very brave. Number 4. He stood up against unfair British rules. Number 5. His bravery inspires people even today. Number 6. He joined others who wanted India to be free and fair. Number 7. In 1928, they peacefully protested by throwing pamphlets in a big building. Number 8. Sadly, he was caught by the British and arrested. Number 9. Bhagat Singh was executed on the 23rd of March 1931. Number 10. His legacy continues to inspire generations of Indians. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.